Would you rather have one versatile pair of glasses or an eyewear wardrobe of 100 pieces, all with different shapes, colours, materials, and custom tints, each one more beautiful than the last? This is truly one of the world's best eyewear collections, and I'm going to be meeting the person who owns all of these beautiful glasses and showing you that she might not quite be what you expect. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant at The Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. And that's why I'm here in Berlin, to deliver even more perfect pairs of glasses for this very special person who you're going to meet very soon. But in the meantime, let's talk about my pair. I'm wearing the limited edition white gold Reykjavik Eyes Fuller, one of 3 signature pieces that I recreated based on Reykjavik Eyes models that I wear myself in this new beautiful white gold finish. And here's why: if you can only have one pair of glasses, these might just be the ones to choose. Number 1, the most comfortable glasses in the world. These are made from one piece of laser cut titanium, and even with a headset on like you see here, there's zero sensation of wearing glasses. And whether you're sat down or moving around, they just stay perfectly in place. They don't ever move or slip. And this particular pair is completed with photofusion technology, which means that as I step out from the shade, these activate and turn into full sunglasses. And the beauty of photofusion is that whatever the conditions are, you're going to have lenses that are matched to them, and that of course makes them excellent outdoors, but they're just as good indoors. Thanks to BlueGuard, which is inherent within photofusion lenses, these have blue light protection when you're viewing digital devices to reduce eye strain and to improve sleep patterns. But the technology doesn't stop there. These are Zeiss Smart Life digital lenses. Not only makes viewing digital devices clearer and more comfortable, but also improves refocusing time when you're switching between your smartphone and the real world. Since we're all using smartphones all day long, for me this is a no-brainer. If I was going to have a daily pair of glasses, they must have Smart Life technology. These lenses are not only optimized for close vision, but your far vision as well, delivering perfect peripheral focus. So when you're taking in a view, you're really taking it in. Last but not least, completed with the new DuraVision Gold coating. This was a perfect opportunity to test this new coating out because one of the features of DuraVision Gold is an improved water contact angle. That means that when you get rain on your glasses, it doesn't stick. And as you can see, it's raining all around me. There's virtually no water on my lens. It's like a miracle, and that was a quality of life feature that I really appreciated on this trip. The thinness, the lightness, and the technology that's packed into such a ridiculously thin package makes these unbeatable as an everyday pair of glasses. With the rounded shape and the double bridge, for me, they are extremely stylish as well. And of course, they're not only a beautiful pair of glasses, but thanks to the photofusion technology, an awesome pair of sunglasses as well. And here's the view through the Pioneer tint. You can see how that affected my view in the forest in this scene and how it really brought out the beautiful colour of the flowers in this scene. Photofusion Pioneer is a really good all-round lens colour because you get that increased contrast, that increased clarity, and increased comfort in the sun. But now it's time to introduce you to Karen. I'm not sure I can put it into words how profoundly beautiful a person Karen is. The best part of my job is meeting cool, interesting people from all over the world, and I can genuinely say that I haven't come across anyone as pure-spirited, as warm, as caring, as sensitive as Karen. She's visited our store 3 times now, traveling from Germany each time. We share a love of eyewear and we've become friends. And that's why when I found out that Karen had to cancel her upcoming trip to see me because of an illness to one of her cats, I had to make the journey to come and see her. It was my opportunity in my own small way to hopefully make her feel a little happier. Karen's husband Klaus had grown up here and was an absolute expert at steering the boat, but there was no way I was going to leave without giving it a try myself.
You said a bit of practice. Danke. You're getting there, you said.
Ja.
Hallo.
Hallo.
This environment with hundreds of kilometers of waterways was something I'd never experienced before. So rich, so green, and so beautiful. So I came to try to heal, but found myself healed instead. In conclusion, my Reykjavik Eyes Fuller was as good as you could ever ask a pair of glasses to be. Supremely comfortable, maintenance free because these glasses don't even have any screws, so being able to travel with the peace of mind that you're okay with one pair, you don't need a backup, it's extremely reassuring. A pair that I felt looked amazing and packed with all of the technology that I've described so far. There are only 50 pairs of these in existence, most of which have already been sold, but we do still have a few left. What more could you want from a pair of glasses? That was a question that definitely occurred to me as we drove to Karen's house. What could someone really do with 100 pairs of glasses? Karen.
Robert, thank you for coming. I mean, this was unexpected. I was supposed to come to you. I just couldn't make the trip, and then you surprised me.
The reason why I'm here, I've got some amazing new glasses for you to add to what is already the most amazing eyewear collection. We've picked out some of your favourite pieces out of more than 100. And then we've got the new additions as well.
Yeah.
Maybe just tell me and our audience, how did you end up with more than 100 pairs of glasses?
My prescription wasn't right. I was doing research online and came across your YouTube channel. So I said, to hell with it, I'm just gonna contact you. I had the most perfect vision with you. And on top of that, I got educated by you. And I was like lapping up the information and soaking it on like a sponge. And then it got me going.
My core principle is to give people the best vision possible. Like
Correct.
that is fundamental. However, we've taken it to the next level with this collection, haven't we? Tints for every scenario, you have frames for every outfit.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at some of these. So this is the box with some of your favorites. Where would you like to start?
Lucas Distel, the Minotaur Split Thin. When I first got it, received it in the mail, I think, oh my God.
We've got a whiskey leather with
Correct,
black bottom rim and then black on the
It's a
inside.
split,
So
the
it's
thing is
lovely
a split
two-tone.
thin, yeah, correct.
This looks beautiful on you. With your skin tone, it
Yeah.
works really well.
Correct,
And the
yeah.
leather
Yeah.
is something just very special, isn't it? There's another Luca Distel in this box.
Yes, this was my last visit.
You collected it in February.
Yeah, I came in.
It was ordered last year.
It's one of its kind, yeah, for sure.
This has got the sea glass green bi-gradient
Yeah.
with an olive green frame.
And with my blue outfit.
Iconic.
Correct.
Which one should we take a look at next? Let's look at a different brand.
These.
I did a lot of research on Japanese eyewear, and
Yeah.
I made the decision that I was going to stock one brand. And I think if you had only one Japanese brand, it's got to be Masanaga. But I understand that Matsuda is a different vibe.
niche. Yeah, correct.
More, we said, more artistic, more creative, more inventive.
And more quirky.
Definitely more quirky, yeah. If we look closely at both of these, like the finishing on the Masanaga is so much more simple.
Yeah.
But you know, that's the design philosophy of Masanaga. It's just like very simple Japanese design.
Yeah.
The Matsudas though, you know, there's no doubt they are incredible and they're beautiful. And tonally they're very different as well.
Yeah.
It's like an amber to blue
Yeah.
bi-gradient.
Correct. And it's like a reverse. Mostly it's blue at the top, but you did the other way around.
Yeah.
And that's what I noticed. So, and this is a lot lighter.
This collection gives you all these different options. You know, I've been wearing this one pair for the last 3 days. It's versatile and it will go with anything. I have missed that enjoyment, that excitement of
A
switching
variety.
a pair and
Correct,
be like, yeah,
yeah.
I love this.
Because it's boring to just stick to one.
Well, yeah, it'd be like wearing the same outfit every day.
Robert, before I met you, I owned one pair only, which I wore for 4 years.
Is that right? So it is my fault.
Yes, it is your fault.
This is something that I want people to get, and I'm sure it comes across, but you're not a flashy person.
No, I'm not.
Very modest,
Yeah.
very quiet, very introverted and shy.
Yeah.
Having all these glasses is not about impressing people.
No.
It's about
It's
your
feeling good for
enjoyment of-
myself. Yeah, I want to
exactly.
feel good because I'm not getting younger too, and I want to feel good about myself. And with the tints, it does provide a bit of a, I don't want to use the word shield, but a bit of
A barrier,
Correct.
I think.
And I feel special because I feel that I'm different from others by wearing a tinted pair of glasses.
On the other end of the spectrum, you have JF Ray.
Blue is my favorite color as well, so I
It's
thought-
amazing to go from the simplicity of
Yeah,
this
Yeah, and the,
to the, not extravagance,
No,
but
it's not,
the
it's-
fun of this as well.
it's different from other kinds of plastic acetate frame.
There's nothing like a
you don't
JF
get
Ray
colors.
frame.
You don't get colors like this, the red and the blue and the metal temples.
You like Matsuda the best.
Yes.
Is JF Ray number 2? Is Luca Distel number 2? Is Reykjavik Eyes number 2?
You're asking me to pick sides?
Yeah, because very few people have had all of these glasses.
Yeah, okay, I'm very fortunate and lucky to be able to indulge. People collect soccer jerseys and what have
Yeah.
you, or this is mine.
People collect a
Yeah.
lot less meaningful things.
Correct.
So you're going to sit on the fence about the brand.
JFray, so long as, for me, comfort also plays a part.
Yeah, they're not the most comfortable. I've made the point that if you can only have one,
Yes.
it's Reykjavik
I
Eyes. and
agree. That's why I wear this even for my I'm wearing this as my utility glasses. Yeah.
And this is your computer pair.
Office lenses.
Yeah, recommend so many people an office lens set for the computer, but you can still see around the house, so you can wear it indoors. I have exactly the same pair as you. Kevin in Las Vegas has exactly the same pair as you.
Yes, I remember.
And I think about 2 other customers have exactly the same
so
pair.
there must be something about the combination as well. It looks cool.
One of my most worn pairs at home, but they work so well, especially when you're working in the evenings, nighttime. The yellow tint with the sapphire flash is perfect.
So much more comfortable to look at my laptop.
We have one more Matsuda in here.
Yes.
Why did you pick this one? By the way, this is from the new stained glass series, which I think is incredible.
This is the M3130.
This is what made the difference for me deciding to be a Matsuda stockist.
Plus, it has a pince nez, nose pads.
Springy.
Correct. You don't feel anything at all.
It's springy.
It's so amazing design.
It's a beautiful design, isn't it? And
yeah.
so original.
With an adaptive sun brown and a ruby flash.
I think the ruby is the best flash coating.
Yeah, agreed, yeah.
The bridge and all the detail that's there, it is a work of art, isn't it?
Agreed.
We've got a special one next.
Cartier.
Yeah.
My only pair.
The Cartier Panther.
I always equate Cartier to the echelon of luxury.
I think there's an argument that this is your most beautiful pair of glasses, and I'm not just saying that because I made it.
There's too many.
But, you know, it's the iconic Panther in the platinum. The shape is made just for you.
Yeah.
We've got the facet as well. A great option within your collection as well to have rimless. We've got everything from acetate to leather to the titanium pieces and then fully rimless as well. But there's always room for more. Got a very special delivery, which is why I'm here.
You surprised me with this.
Yeah, I'm proud of this one. And I was also very nervous because it's larger than any of your other pieces.
Yeah.
And it's not got the nose pads. And I chose it without you ever trying it on.
Nope.
And I'm used to working remotely. Most of my clients I never meet physically in person. I style them via video call. So I'm used to working that way. Plus we had your avatar creation from the VisuFit, so that really helped.
You know what you're doing, so.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of this one, actually.
Yeah. This is the Jean Ruby, right?
Yeah, I believe so. With ruby goat leather on the inside. And to perfect that, we tied it in with the new Photofusion Burgundy, which was a surprise.
Which was a surprise. I didn't see this coming at all.
And that's one of 3 new Luca de Stales that you have. We have the Petrus series, so this is stone. And what we did with this is we combined it with a blue tint and a sapphire flash coating.
Which you featured in one of your previous videos.
Yeah, this has been in a video before. I really wanted the lenses here to look like a gemstone, like a sapphire.
Correct, yeah.
And I think that's how it came out, especially because of the cut, you know, because of the shape.
Yep.
It's angular like a gemstone. This is nice, but I think you'll probably get more use out of this. I think this will be one of your go-to looks.
Yeah.
And then last but not least, with our apricot tint, this is again stone on the outside, but leather on the inside. All matches so well, yeah. This is going to be more of a sunglass, but the apricot tint is surprisingly versatile. Speaking of Masunaga versus Matsuda, we've got 2 new Matsudas and 2 Masunagas.
Correct.
Shall we have a look at those? So we've got the Bleecker. You loved this one so much, you did it twice.
Yep. So
one in the navy blue. One in the olive green. It's just awesome.
I know.
It's a great size, it's a great shape. The bicolor effect with the silver metal. It's just really cool with a blue tint to complement it. Just a subtle one that's
very
easy
subtle,
to wear every day.
I don't really want this to be a dark tint, really.
And then the green version. I think this is actually quite an underappreciated idea to have a frame style, but have it in a few different colors with different tints and just make it like part of your look. I'm curious if the Bleecker will change your mind about Masunaga. I think you'll really enjoy wearing this one.
We'll see in a few months.
We will see. And then we've got the 2 new Matsudas.
Yeah.
This one with our Medina Sunrise. This is a custom by Gradient tint. This again has that stained glass. It's very harmonious. I like these kind of weights to counterbalance the end tips. I think that's a really good idea. It's not always about what's heavier or lighter, but it's the balance of the frame that's really important. So we customized the shape on this and the tint, of course. Not quite as much of a statement as the Cartier, but still really cool, especially because of the tint. I wonder if that would make it into the top 8.
Give me time, Robert.
We've got another Matsuda with the pince-nez fitting, again with the sea glass green tint. When you've got all these pieces, I mean this one looks as good as all of them, how do you choose when to put a pair on?
My mood.
That's
That's one thing, and what I'm gonna wear. Or if I feel special or there's a special occasion. These glasses make me feel special, extra special. And stand out from other people.
You're like me, you don't want to be like everybody else. You want to be your own person.
Correct,
and
yeah. I don't want to be
glasses become part of
mainstream.
that
I don't want to
identity.
be like part of the usual crowd.
Yeah, me too.
Because I know I'm different from other people.
And I think that would be my concluding message really about your collection and your story is that it is about feeling special. It's about feeling good when you wear a pair and having the options to choose a pair based on your mood or your style.
Yeah.
It's something that really enhances your life in a lot of different ways. And I love how, I mean, we've looked at 16 pairs today, and each one is different. Generally, we go with more rounded shapes, but we've got, you know, more rectangular.
Yeah.
With the Luca de Stel, we've got the geometric shapes like
With
this.
the bleaker.
And the bleaker as well, yeah. Oh, we still have one more, by the way. My gift to you. This is very much like a going out pair, I think. Yeah, it looks pretty cute for when you really want to feel special. Especially with the golden tint to match.
I really feel special because of you.
Thank you for talking to me.
No, thank you,
for
Robert.
sharing your collection with
thank you,
our
Robert,
audience.
for being so kind and thoughtful and coming to me.
You're welcome.
I really, 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 really appreciate it.
No,
Truly.
Well, I appreciate you.
And you've done an amazing job with my glasses. I guess you could say it improved my quality of life too. It just elevated it. I bet you if I didn't come across your video, I'll be stuck.
And instead, you've got one of the best eyewear collections
Yeah, I
in
end
the
up
world.
with, I don't know about that really. So, yeah, thank you, Robert.